Hey everyone, and welcome back to poppyseedmini. This is part 2 of our Miniverse Make It Mini food videos. If you watched part 1, you know I'm on the hunt for a pie. Or a tart. I'd take a tart too. They're all so cute. All right, let's open another ball. Giant, you're on. Okay, it's a good sign. It's another one of those big doilies. Ooh, moment of truth. Moment of truth. Oh, it's a tart crust. Oh, it's so cute. Okay, all right. So that means we should have another. Oh, it's a stand, but it's like a wood grain stand this time. Oh, and the little dome top. Okay, you guys, this one comes with 2 fruit packages. Okay, let's see what we got. We've got blueberries. And we have the lemons. Oh, it's the lemon blueberry tart. Oh my gosh. Okay. So excited about this one. And then our resin is going to be a lemon cream. Ooh. And did that come with the little top? I'm not finding the little pour spout on that one, so maybe it doesn't come with it. Oops. And our utensil is going to be a fork? Yep. Another fork. So cute. All right, let's zoom in on some of these details. Okay, so first we have our super cute little tart crust. Next, we have the lemon cream. Now this is resin, and once it's set, it's permanent. So I've been making my own out of Elmer's glue and paint. So I think that's what I'm going to do this time. I like the fact that it's not permanent and I can wash it out if I don't like it. So you're just going to take a blob of school glue, and then I'm going to add a little yellow acrylic paint to this to make it a lemon cream. I'm also going to add a little white glue so that it doesn't end up so opaque. Now, let's add in our cream we made. You guys, I'm not sure if I mentioned this to you, but the little tart even has little pokey fork marks in the bottom. It's so cute. Now that we got the lemon cream in, let's add our little lemons. Oh my gosh, if the packaging isn't cute enough, these little lemons. Look at that. Is that not beauty and perfection itself? Let's check out the diagram here. We're supposed to layer the lemons in and then put the blueberries in the center and around the edge. I think I can handle that. All right, and now for the blueberries. Aren't these cute? If you didn't see part 1, I've already shown how they are 2 different tones, which is just lovely, and they're just super cute. All right, so we're just gonna sprinkle some in the center and then sprinkle them nicely around the edges. Wow, how lovely is that? All right, when it's all dry, I'll show you how it looks. I'm still on the hunt for a pie, but this one was so cute. On to the next ball. All right. we have another large doily, which means it might be the pie. It might be the pie. All right, let's find out. Here's our table. And here is the first bag. And we have another cheesecake. Oh, maybe it'll be the strawberry one this time. Not the pie though, which means we have another stand. Little white stand this time with the dome. These are so cute. And moment of truth, will it be the strawberry or the blueberry? Will it be a double? Nope, it's the strawberries, yay! So cute. I'm assuming another fork. Yep. And we have our strawberry syrup. And this one did come with the cute little nozzle. Oh, I love how pink this one is. All right, let's take our little cheesecake out of the package. And if you didn't see my first video, it has a nice golden crust and the awesome crust on the bottom. Makes me want to eat cheesecake. All right, let's whip up another batch of my homemade syrup. This time I'm going to use some clear Elmer's glue to see if this makes a difference. And then I'm going to add a little magenta and I'm going to add a little red. And just mix that together. Okay, this is looking pretty good. Way better than my blueberry sauce, which I ended up washing off and I'll probably redo with this recipe. Let's add our sauce onto our cheesecake. It's probably just as interesting as the resin to work with though. All right, let's take a look at the recipe and see how this is supposed to look. So it looks like you put the big strawberries in the center and little slices all around. If you haven't seen the details on these strawberries, by the way, they are fantastic. You've got, the package has little slices and 2 whole berries. All right, and then we'll add the big strawberry in the center. Oh, how cool is that? All right, so here's how my blueberry lemon tart turned out after it dried. Now I did notice I got a couple of air holes in it, which I could just add a little extra mixture to, or I can leave it be, or I can wash it. And here is how my strawberry cheesecake turned out. I think I definitely like the clear school glue over the regular white school glue. Very cute. Loving this. All right, next ball. All right, here's our little clue. What's this one? All right, what's it gonna be? Oh, they're little cookies. Oh, these are cute. Let's see what this one is. Oh, it's the whipped cream. All right, what's in the freezer bag? Mint chip milkshake. Oh, this is the blue one. Oh, this is gonna be cool. Okay, that means we're getting more chocolate chips. I love these tiny little chocolate chips. So this is going to be our little drink cup. And for our utensil, we're getting a straw. Oh, this is fun. All right, let's make it. All right, so the little recipe card says, add the resin and the chocolate chips and let it sit in the sun for 10 minutes. Then you're gonna add a little more resin and the whipped cream and cookie, and then 5 to 10 minutes more in the sun. All right, so let's add some of the resin to our cup. Ooh, I love the color of this one. Hey, would any of you be interested in me making a miniature cafe to put all these desserts in? Let me know in the comments down below. Okay, I'm gonna fill it that full and then add some of our chocolate chips. And don't forget to hit that like button if you're enjoying this video. All right, and then let's take the straw, and since that's gonna be in there anyway, maybe we can use it as kind of a way to stir our little chips in. There we go. Tuck that in right where you want it. And now I'm gonna go sit it in the sun. And hopefully on this cloudy day, I have enough sun to set this. Oh, one more thing. Before you set it, make sure you pop any air bubbles. Because honestly, I did get a few air bubbles in my parfait that I made before. Now I know to watch for it. All right, so if it's a cloudy day, it's definitely going to take way longer than 5 to 10 minutes, but it finally did set. Now I did kind of keep an eye on it and stir my chocolate chips around before it had set because I wanted to make sure they stayed floating and up. So let's add some more resin and some more chocolate chips. And then add more chocolate chips. Now, I am not going to add my whipped cream and cookie until after it's dry, because I want to be able to add and remove it if I'm doing like a photo shoot or something. So I'm going to let it set like this. All right, now that it's hard, I can add my little whippy cream and my cookie on top. And it's ready to enjoy. Ah, I got to find a pie. All right, I've already checked. This ball has a doily in it. Let's see if it's the pie. There we go. Doily of truth. And what is in the red bag? Oh, what if it's a double, you guys? Oh my goodness. Oh, you guys, it's the pie crust. All right, and what kind of pie will it be? Oh, it's the little limes. It's the key lime pie. Oh, I'm so excited. All right, here is our pie tin. Oh my. Oh, these are so cute. Oh, where's my stand? Here we go. And here's the pie plate. I've opened how many balls? And I finally found a pie. Okay. It says spread. It's like a peanut butter one, but it's got a lime on it. Key lime spread? All right. And we have, well, of course, the whipped cream. That makes sense. And, you know, I think it should be a pie server, but I have a feeling it's a fork. It's a spoon! Oh goody, we needed more of these. All right, who's ready to watch the magic happen? Here is the pie crust. Of course, it's in one of those cute little containers. Pop that out and place it in our pie tin. And then you guys already know how I feel about the resin and setting it permanently. So I have whipped up some key lime Elmer's glue to use as my pie cream. Let's just fill up this pie crust. Now, is it actually like a pudding that you put in the pie? Or no, it's more like a lime curd, right? Like a lemon curd, but only lime? Not sure. Okay, guys, take a look at these limes. Oh my goodness. They are transparent in the center, and then they've painted the rind on. Oh, and they are just darling. I think maybe we should do the whipped cream before the limes though. Okay, so the shape of these whipped creams are different than the previous whipped creams I've gotten. Isn't that interesting? And there's more of them. All right, let's add these to the pie. All right, so looking at the recipe, it looks like you put a dollop in the center and then 5 dollops of whip around the edges. And then you add your slices of lime. Oh, how beautiful is that? Oh my gosh. I am so happy to have gotten my pie. Oh, I better not wiggle it too much. It's not set yet. Well, thank you so much for joining me for another episode of Poppy Seed Mini. Thank you for staying till the end and watching me get a pie. And if you liked this video, please hit that like button, subscribe, and we'll see you next time.